not even 100 yards from here is my ancestry home. My auntie Melba is sitting just off camera here. My father was born here in Goa, and my roots are here. This very church here, St. Roque Church in Tolikanto, is where my great-grandmother and my great-grandfather are buried, 50 yards to the left.
Are you intending to contest elections? Are you asking for a ticket?
Like I said, sometimes I like karma to play itself out.
You're nicely avoiding one straight question which I am asking.
It's a very straight answer I've given you, that the captain of my team will decide.
Do you know Konkani, by the way?
Yes, I understand Konkani, and pretty soon I'll be doing an interview with you in Konkani.